I will show you a free strategy that might need you by using only two indicators, the rate of change and the parabolic SAR. I will show you how to trade using this. For this setup, our rate of change is set to 15, and the parabolic SAR is set to 0.02 and 0.3. Then we switch our chart type into Heikin Ashi, and our time frame is set to 5 seconds, with trading duration of 30 seconds. The idea here is simple. We look to trade when the rate of change line reaches the zero or middle line. Right now we are looking to trade downward, because the parabolic SAR is producing dots that are moving down, while the rate of change line is heading toward, or almost crossing, the zero line. So we place our trade and we wait for it to finish. We are in a 50-50 situation on this one, and we are hoping the setup plays out well for a good outcome. And there it is, the trade closes green on that one. Now let us trade with another pair. This method is easy to follow, and one of the best parts is that you can open multiple charts at the same time. Just make sure each pair shows a 90% or higher payout. If it does not, then switch to another pair or close that specific one. Here we had a possible opportunity, but it did not line up with what we were waiting for. The yellow rate of change line is sitting right at the zero line, but the parabolic SAR is showing two dots that are heading down. This one looks a bit risky, so we skip it and trade on a different pair instead. Now look at what we see here. The rate of change is sitting right on the zero line, and the parabolic SAR is now positioned above. This is a good sign, because it starts generating its dots, 5 more dots in a row. And the trade closes green on that one as well. See the rest of the video, and don't forget to like and subscribe with us for more trading strategies like this. Past results does not guarantee future results. It is best to trade on what you can afford to lose, having money management or risk management to properly handle your investment.